What's up, guys? Let's make this creamy and super delicious abele. This abele is what we grew up loving in Ghana here. It's super creamy and it's easy and simple to make. So without much ado, let's get started. Before we do that, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and please leave a comment for me. Okay, so let's get started. Now, this abele is made out of tiger nuts, also known as atajo milk. So, I'm just going to thoroughly wash my tiger nuts because it came out of the market. I'm going to wash it with water to thoroughly take out any germ or bacteria that might be on it. So after washing it, I've blended it with a little bit of water, and now I'm going to sieve it. It's best if you have cheesecloth, but I don't have, so I'm improvising. I'm just using my sieve with my spatula. After getting a little bit of water out there, I'm just going in with clean hand to squeeze every juice that I can get out of the chaff. Let me know in the comment section if you have any idea what I can do with the chaff. I feel like I can do something with the chaff, but I really don't know what I can. So if you know, let me know in the comment section, and I would really want to try that out. So after squeezing everything, this is the juice that I have. I'm going to dilute about a quarter cup of flour with the same juice, make a mixture out of it, and pour it back into my juice. This will go on fire or on heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. I want it to slightly thicken. That's where we'll get that creamy, abele taste. I say too creamy, too thick. Yeah, that's what we're looking for right now. So onto the fire it goes. You don't want to stop stirring because you do not want your thing to become lumpy. So I'm going to stir till it thickens. As you can see, it has thickened up a little bit. I'm content with that consistency. So after putting it on fire for about a minute or so, this is what I have. I'm gonna stop it right there, pour it back into the container and let it cool down. And that's about it, guys. Now it's about time. I'm going to add my powdered milk and then my homemade condensed milk. I made my own condensed milk, guys. I think I've already posted that, but I also link it in my description box if you want to know how I made my homemade condensed milk. It's just as adding sugar to milk. That's it. That's about it. It tastes like condensed. I can't even lie about this. You should really try it out. Check out that recipe. One thing that I love about this abele is that it does not need any sugar. Like your sugar, you're getting that sweetness or that nice taste out of the powdered milk and then the homemade homemade condensed milk. So that's about it, guys. We are done. I'm just going ahead to pour this into my cups, my OG abele cups. This is the cups that the people used to sell abele put them in. Now we have different molds that you can pour it in, but I want the OG, I want the original abele feeling. So this is it. This is just normal chewing stick that we have in Ghana. I'm just going to insert this in, and this will go into the freezer for about 4 hours, but I left mine overnight. So after that, I'm just going to put my frozen abele into water, wait for about 15 seconds, and then press the side of the cup to help my abele come out easily. And look at that beautiful abele. Just look at it. It's so cute. I didn't want to eat it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. Please do want to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.